New chapter, coordinate geometry in 3 dimensions. Coordinate system for 3 space called the 3 dimensions. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the z-axis. P is the coordinate of any point in a 3D space x, y, z. Now the distance formula. Now the distance between the points P, x1, y1, z1 and Q, x2, y2, z2 is given by PQ is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square. Question number 1. Find the distance between the points 2, 5, 3 and minus 3, 2, 1. The required distance d is equal to under root 2 plus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square, which comes to under root 38 units. Now the midpoint formula. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 is given by m x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, comma z1 plus z2 upon 2. The centroid of a triangle ABC whose coordinates are a x1, y1, z1, b x2, y2, z2 and c x3, y3, z3 is given by g x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 and z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. Now the section formula. P is a point whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1. Q is a point whose coordinates are x2, y2, z2. We have to find the coordinates of R, x, y, z which divides PQ in the ratio m is to n. So if the division is internal, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, z is equal to mz2 plus nz1 upon m plus n. If the division is external, then x is equal to mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus n, y is equal to my2 minus ny1 upon m minus n, and z is equal to mz2 minus nz1 upon m minus n. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of a point which divides 2, minus 1, 3 and 4, 3, 1 in the ratio 3 is to 1 externally. So x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, which is equal to 3 into 4 plus 1 into 2 upon 3 plus 1, which is equal to 7 by 2. Similarly, y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, which comes out to be 2. And z is equal to mz2 plus nz1 upon m plus n, which comes out to be 3 by 2. So the required coordinates are 7 by 2 to 3 by 2. Question number 3. Using distance formula, show that the points A 1 minus 1 3, B 2 minus 4 5 and C 3 minus 13 11 are collinear. So first finding distance AB, which comes to under root 14 units. Then finding distance BC, which comes to 3 under root 14 units. Then finding distance AC, which comes to 4 under root 14 units. Now since AB plus BC is equal to AC, that is under root 14 plus 3 under root 14 is equal to 4 under root 14. So 4 root under root 14 is equal to 4 under root 14. So the points A, B, C are collinear. Question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line joining the points 2, 4, 5 and 3, 5, minus 4 is divided by the YZ plane. Solution. On the YZ plane, x is equal to 0. So the point of intersection of the YZ plane with the points 2, 4, 5 with the line joining 2, 4, 5 and 3, 5, minus 4 is 0, y and z. So let the ratio be k is to 1. So 0 is equal to k into 3 plus 2 into 1 upon k plus 1. So 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 2 by 3. So the required ratio is minus 2 ratio 3. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the join of A 2, 1, 5 and B 3, 4, 3 is divided by the plane 2x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 1. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So this is A 215. This is point P X Y Z. Let the ratio be K is to 1. This is the plane 2x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 1. And this is point B 343. So let the ratio be K is to 1. So the coordinates of point P X Y Z are P 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1, 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1, 3k plus 5 upon k plus 1. Since the point P lies on the plane 2x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 1, it will satisfy its coordinates. So putting x, y, z in the equation of plane, so we have 2 into 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1 plus 2 into 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1 minus 2 into 3k plus 5 upon k plus 1 is equal to 1. So 8k minus 4 upon k plus 1 is equal to 1. So k is equal to 5 by 7. So the required ratio is 5 is to 7. So the x coordinate is 15 upon 7 plus 2 upon 5 by 7 plus 1, which is 29 by 12. Y is equal to 20 upon 7 plus 1 upon 5 by 7 plus 1, which is 9 by 4. Z is equal to 15 upon 7 plus 5 upon 5 by 7 plus 1, which is equal to 25 upon 6. Hence, the coordinates of the point P of the division is 29 by 12, 9 by 4 and 25 by 6.